Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to mute part of an audio track. So it's super simple. Right now I have an audio track that's connected to a video track, right? So to do it the right way, first I want to select the area of the track that I want to mute. So let's say I go and I grab the razor blade tool and I have to make a cut here and I'll make a cut right here. So I want to get rid of this part right here. I go back to my selection tool, and now I press Options if I'm on Mac or Alt if I'm on PC, and now it just selects the audio clip by itself. And now what I can do is go up to Inspector right over here, click on Audio, and then decrease the audio completely. Another way I can do this is just by hovering and selecting the audio track by itself. I can press the letter D, and now it just disables that audio track completely. So what you want to do is make cuts in the part of the audio track that you want to mute, press on it, go to Inspector, decrease the volume, or just press D and it disables that audio track. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.